Hey everyone, welcome to EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take any website or news article like this one and convert it to a video in just a few steps. We'll do this all with Synthesia. So our first step is going to go to synthesia.io, where we're going to create an AI video. Now, this is a paid service, but you can get started for free, as you can see on the blue button right over there. So my first step is going to be to create an account. Now, after I create an account, the next thing that I'll need is an article or a website that I want to be the topic for the video that I'm going to create. So this is an article announcing the Rabbit R1 device. I want to create kind of like a news video, like a news style, a technology news style video that I can share on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to take this link and I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go back to Synthesia and I'm going to select new video. From here, you can see there's lots of different options that I have. I can start a blank video. I can import a PowerPoint, but I'm going to choose this option that says AI Video Assistant. So my first step is to select a template, and Synthesia has a lot of templates that are available. Now again, these are just templates. Once you use the video, you can go in and change or modify anything. But I'm just going to take this template that says content marketing. My next step is to add my source. In this case, it's just a link. There it is. And then I can select the length that I want each scene. I'm just going to say 5 scenes because it's the shortest. And then I can just add additional information like an objective. I can select my audience. And a few other fields as well, such as language. I can set this to one of the many languages that are available in Synthesia, as well as speaker and tone. Okay, so now what I want to do is just select the generate video at the button at the bottom, and you can see what's happening right before our eyes is Synthesia is referencing that article, that web link that I copied and pasted on the left, and now it's creating each scene for us right in the middle of the screen, so you can see the text to the right and the thumbnail of the image to the left. Okay, so this is just about finished. Now what I can do from here is just preview to see the text that was generated. Obviously the thumbnail to the left, but if this isn't what I want, that's fine, because I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to continue to edit it inside Synthesia Studio. Alright, so here is my project. You can see that it just added an avatar from the template. I can go in and change that avatar if I want. I can also change the voice if I want as well. We may do this in a second, where you'll notice if you just select the voice, Synthesia will give you a number of different choices to choose from.
This is a demo of the voice you've selected.
Okay, so for the most part, I think this looks kind of cool. I could probably just add my logo here and take this and export this video. So again, if I didn't want to spend a ton of time with it, it would really only take me about a minute or two to take that article and to make it a video. But in this case, I want to go in and modify this a little bit more because I have a specific look that I'm trying to do. So what I'm going to do is maybe just get rid of that logo part because I don't really want my logo on the screen. I'm going to move all of this text to the bottom. I don't want to move my avatar to the top. And you know, this is nice, but maybe what I'll do is just replace my avatar with, let me replace him with, I'll use Darren. There we go. And at the bottom, you can see we can change all of the avatars here to Darren. Let's make him a little bit taller. Okay, so this background. The background looks okay, but what I want to do is to get more of like a news style kind of look. And one of the things that Synthesia does is it will allow you to upload your own content, which we'll do in a second, but also to add media from different sources. So here is Shutterstock. I'm just going to say, like, let's just do news broadcast. And you can see that there are a number of different choices for me. I'm just going to take this one. Okay, here's our news broadcast in the background. I'm going to right click and make this my background. Okay, now what I'm also going to do, actually, let me just go back a second. I'm just going to copy this, I'm going to go to each one of our 5 slides. I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to make each of these my background when I get to the slides in just 1 second. Okay, so now from our main page, I'm going to take this. I'm going to replace the background. I'm going to leave this the way it is, but what I'd like to do is have some images of the Rabbit R1. So to do that, I'm going to go to Media, and I'm going to choose Library, and I'm going to upload media to this library that I can use in my project. Okay, here is my media. Now what I'm going to do is to take this promo video of our rabbit and I'm going to put it right over here in the corner. So it kind of looks like that right underneath the title. Just like that. Okay, so once I'm here, you'll notice to the right-hand side, I have some options for video clips. So one of the things that I want to do, there is audio in this video. So I'm going to take the volume and I'm just going to turn the volume all the way down. The other thing I'm going to do is to trim this video. So you can see this is about a 56-second clip. This first scene is not 56 seconds. So I'm just maybe going to do kind of something like this. There it is. So I'm just going to do this, edit this just a little bit so we see the rabbit in the main part of the screen. Looks like this is about 15 seconds long. Let's just kind of do that. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to go ahead and trim, and there it is. Now our video is right over here. Let me go to the next one. This time I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make this my background, get rid of the logo. There is some text on the screen. I don't really want to use the text on the screen. I'm going to go back to my media. Let me upload a still image. I'll take something like this. Here's my still image right over here. And you know what else I'm going to do? I'm actually going to make our avatar a little bit bigger, kind of like a second camera shot, like we just zoomed in and just sort of added that shot right over there. Okay, so jumping ahead, let me show you a little bit about what I did with scene 3. You can see we have a little bit of a different shot of the anchor as well as a different photo to the side of the screen that I uploaded as well. For scene 4, you don't even see the anchor at all. It's just a clip of the video that I included right over here on the screen. You'll still hear the anchor read this, but you'll just be able to view the video. The anchor's not in scene 4. And then we have the final scene 5, just a regular image of the actual R1 that this whole video is about. So the next step for me, if I just click the play button, I will be able to preview this video. You'll notice that his lips and his body weren't really moving. That's just because in preview mode, it doesn't actually animate. The avatars don't animate, but you can listen and get an idea of how everything else looks and how the avatar is going to sound. Okay, so now I can generate this. I can give it a title. I can add a description if I want, and if I can give it a title, add a description if I want. I can include captions to play at the bottom of the screen if this was going somewhere, I guess, other than YouTube or somewhere else where there weren't captions in the player. And now you can see it's going to take about 13 minutes or so to generate. I'm going to select that button, and in about 13 minutes, this video should be ready to preview. So I'll see you then. Okay, so it looks like our video is finished. Right over here, let's listen to just a few seconds to see how this turned out.
Today, we're unveiling the Rabbit R1, a game-changing AI-powered device that promises to change the way you interact with technology. This gadget isn't exactly a phone, but it can certainly use your phone apps and much more. Designed by Rabbit, an AI startup.
So I'll post the rest of the video on my channel, but you get an idea of just how easy it was to take a website, paste the web link, create a video, and then just to put the final touches so the video looks and sounds the way you want. You can do this all with Synthesia. You can find it at synthesia.io, an awesome website for creating videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please feel free to like and subscribe. Have a great day.